Hey guys, welcome back. And if you are new here, I am Rizza and this is your channel for productive and sustainable lifestyle. So if you are into productivity, sustainability, and skincare, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you'll know when a new video is up. So I just got home from a shoot today and I thought I'd share with you guys yung nighttime skincare routine ko. It's been a while since I last did this. Meron akong video last year actually, about my skincare routine. But for tonight, i-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga products na ginagamit ko at night. Before I dive right into the video, I just want to remind you na itong mga products na to yung talagang gumagana sa akin and not necessarily nagagana sa akin is gagana din sa inyo and vice versa. Remember that skincare is very personal. Tumutunog yung door kasi andito si Bagnet. Andito kami sa restroom, by the way. Hello! Hello! So for me, I have an oily to combination skin. Oily siya on the T-zone, dito and dito. But then for my cheeks and sa ibang parts ng face ko, dry ako. Dati actually sobrang oily ko, pero napansin ko na when I started to mature and age, medyo nasa drier side na yung skin ko. So ayun, here are the products I'll show you. So bago ang lahat, itaas muna natin ang ating hair. I love this. This is from Neni, so I think bigay lang to sa akin. And of course, it's a Cutie Cat. Yung first product natin is the Mizon Cleansing Oil. Great Pure Cleansing Oil. It's gentle and refreshing cleansing care. It softly removes the makeup. I love using this for double cleansing kasi nakakatanggal siya ng waterproof makeup and oil and gunk and my sunscreen. So, let's do this. There, 2 pumps. I currently have mascara. Sobrang dalang ko lang mag-makeup. I only put on makeup kapag may shoot. So, yeah. I love using this kasi sobrang gentle niya and nakatanggal talaga siya ng makeup. Just always use your ring finger. Make sure it's really gentle, especially sa eye area. Ngayon, kamusta naman ang panda? It's so relaxing. Ito yung favorite part of the day ko, yung pagtanggal ng makeup. Oh. So I'll just wash this with water. Ayan, nakapaghugas na tayo. And while my face is still damp, I wanna use our facial cleanser. I am currently using this Matcha Hemp Hydrating Cleanser from Krave Beauty. This is a Korean brand by a YouTuber as well. Her name is Leah Yu and she's such a nerd with skincare, which is really good kasi at least you know there's so much effort put into this product. So it's barrier-friendly hydrating cleanser na may matcha, hemp seeds, oats, almonds, vitamin B5, and sodium PCA. Looks like this. I'll show you the consistency. Syempre, hindi ko na naman alam paano. How do vloggers do this? They're so good. So I just use a pea-size amount. Looks like this. I'm focused. Yan. Gel-like yung consistency niya. Then kahit konti lang, marami nang nalalagay sa face. I just love that it doesn't have suds. And very hydrating nitong cleanser na to. Yan lang yung itsura niya. Never neglect your neck kasi meron din tayo mga products na nilalagay dyan. And syempre napapawisan din tayo. So, hugas tayo ulit. There you go. And for the towel, I like using a microfiber towel. I think I just got this at department store. 100 pesos. Gusto ko siya kasi mas mabilis mag-absorb compared to normal towels. Pat your skin dry. Don't tug it. Huwag ganon. Kasi may chances na ma-damage yung skin barrier niyo. So yan. Just tap it dry. Then the next one is the Sage and Tera mask. I have 3 na ina-alternate ko lang. But today we will be using itong Sage and Tera, the Colon DNA Super Glow Mask. I'm just using an old makeup brush. Ito yung consistency niya sa loob. I'll just get from here. May cooling effect siya eh. I usually mask thrice a week or every other day pag sinisipag ako. Kayo, anong masks yung gamit nyo? Let me know in the comments down below. And lately, mas gusto ko yung mga ganitong mask kasi kapag sheet masks, hindi siya zero waste. But since plastic-free July na yun, mas preferred ko talaga tong mga ganitong mask. Yung talagang nagko-concentrate talaga ako para dito. And I also don't exfoliate anymore. Hindi na masyado kasi yung texture nito pag natuyo parang medyo rough siya. So feeling ko lang na-exfoliate na yung skin ko. I'm sorry, my camera died. So ayan, tuyo na to. Look at that. And then we'll rinse this. So I'll see you in a while. Whew, sarap. After masking, I treat my lips with this one. Lucas Papaw. I-show ko pa rin yung hindi ko alam yung pag-pronounce nito. So yan, Lucas Papaw Ointment. I put it on my lips. Because my lips are so dry. Just put it right there. Actually, kahit sa labas. Dito, sa outer parts of my lips, it's so dry. So I'm treating it with this one. The next is toner. I currently have 2 toners right now. The first one is the Body Shop Vitamin E. Nakita nyo na to before. And siguro 2 2 years ko na itong hindi naman. 2 years ko lang ginagamit yung product. Pero ito, bagong bottle to. But today, we'll be using the Beauty Water by Sun and Park. It's also a Korean brand. What I love about this is that moisturizing din siya. Tapos, ito yung ginagamit ko pag tinatamad ako mag-skincare. Kasi cleansing, toning, and moisturizing din siya. Nabili ko to sa Beauty Manila. Yung maliit muna yung binili ko just to try it first. Then for toner, I don't use cotton pads anymore. Although I also have reusable pads. For toner, I just put it on my hand. And then itatap ko lang siya sa face ko. So, here we go. Just remember to be really gentle. And also tone your neck. Guys, don't skip toner. This is really important because toner balances the pH levels of your skin. So, kapag nag-cleanse kayo, it's really important na gumamit kayo ng toner kasi madalas nine-neglect natin ko to kasi feeling natin okay lang walang toner. Pero this one helps absorb or prime yung mga products na susunod mong ilalagay. So, para mas mag-absorb siya sa face mo. Next is Cosrx BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. I just bought this weeks ago. It helps remove blackheads to control excess sebum while moisturizing the skin. This is also a Korean brand. Sobrang love ko ng Korean skincare. And this one actually significantly reduced my blackheads and whiteheads dito sa part na to. Kasi I'm not sure if you can see sa camera, pero medyo large yung pores ko dito. Therefore, it also has blackheads and whiteheads. So for this one, I would also not use reusable cotton pads. So, konting-konti lang ilalagay ko. Kasi ayokong ilagay siya sa buong face. Dito lang sa affected area. Use your ring finger kasi ito yung pinaka-gentle. So, there we go. Just tap it out. Yeah. And I'll just use the excess of neck ko. I'll just have to let it dry a bit. Sunod naman is serum. You've seen this sa almost lahat ng skincare videos ko. It's the Lana pH DNA Repair Elixir. This is really my holy grail for a couple of years now. Well, hindi ako biased dahil brand ko to, but this really helped me a lot na mag-reduce ng pores ko. So, nag-minimize yung pores ko, tapos hindi na rin ako masyadong pinipimples. Kasi it has niacinamide, it has Centella asiatica, and it also has sodium hyaluronate. So, pang-brighten siya ng face, pang-liit ng pores, tsaka pang-tanggal ng hyperpigmentation. So, mga pekas, mga sunspots, yung sinisingil tayo dahil hindi tayo nag-sunscreen nung kabataan natin. Ayan. So, I just gently tap it on my face. Next naman is moisturizer. I currently have two. First is yung Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream. This has guaisolin. Ito yung ingredient na nakakatulong magpakalma ng redness and stuff. Ito yung consistency niya. Ayan. And ginagamit ko to kapag ultra dry ng face ko. I mean, drier than usual. And then, ito naman is the Great Barrier Relief from Krave Beauty again. It's also a Korean brand. Kasama siya dun sa collection from the Matcha Hemp Hydrating Cleanser. This one naman has tamano oil, safflower oil, rosehip oil, vitamin B3, ceramide, and cholesterol. Good cholesterol, I assume. So, ito naman yung ginagamit ko kapag feeling ko sobrang sensitive ng skin ko and I feel like ganun yung state ng skin ko ngayon. So, this is what we'll use. The consistency is a bit lighter than Klairs. And ito yung itsura niya. Ayan siya. So, I'll just try to put it on my fizz. Meron akong maliit na breakout. Dalawa. So, now, just spread it out. Naririnig ko pa yung 24 oras sa labas. Sana hindi nyo naririnig. Oh. There we go. And just tap it in. Moisturizer is really important to lock all the products in. So, do not forget. Last but not the least is eye cream. I currently use Satinka Naturals. I also love this local brand kasi vegan siya and it uses pure organic cold pressed rosehip oil and so much more. Tapos sa eyes, I only put a few. Yan, parang ganyan lang. Yan. And again, I use my ring finger. I'm just warming it up a bit. And I just gently tap it here. Huwag niyo masyadong ilapit sa ilapit sa eyes niyo kasi eventually the product might go into your eye. So, yan, just be gentle and konti lang yung product na ilagay niyo. I love it. So there you have it. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye! It's hard.